Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to connect your Steam account to your MetaQuest 3. So at first, just take out this navigation bar pressing the Meta button on your controller. And as your navigation bar is out, you can go in the store and type Steam link and download it. And after you download it, just start the app. As you start it, it takes a while to load. And guys, another note, to connect your Steam account PC and your MetaQuest 3 should be connected at the same network. And also, your PC must have Steam Link app on your PC. And as you have it, you can see your computer right here and just select it to connect it. So guys, that's how you connect your Steam account to your MetaQuest 3. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.